सो आयच्या दिसाक आमचे हॉनरेबल हाय कोर्ट ऑफ बॉम्बे इन गोवा आयज तेंच्यांनी आमची पेटिशन नॉट डिसमिस बट डिस्पोज केला which was filed by the villagers from सांगोड village in मोले. सो हे पेटिशन आमी घातलेले कित्याक ते पंचायत जेन्ना तामनार ते सबस्टेशन घालूंक सोदताले सांगोड विलेजीन ट्रान्समिशन लायना खातीर. सो तेंच्यांनी एक रेजोल्यूशन घेतलेले पंचायत बॉडीन आनी घेवपाक की दीस डिसिजन शूड बी टेकन बाय दी ग्रामसभा म्हणून. आनी थोडेच दिसांनी ते ग्रामसभा मिटींग घेनासतना तेंच्यांनी जप करून रेजोल्यूशन घेतले आनी रेजोल्यूशन घेताना पासून मेजॉरिटी जे पंचायत मेंबर आहात तेंच्यांनी सांगलेले ही रेजोल्यूशन घेवपाची न्हू म्हणून. पूण तरी पूण सरपंचान सेक्रेटरीक सोडून आनी हे दुसरे मेंबराक सोडून सरपंचान आपल्या स्वताच्या सिग्नेचरान घालून कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स दिल्ले तेंकां. 4 ग्रामसभा मेंबर ते एग्रीव जाल्ले मेंबर. सो तेंच्यांनी आमकां एप्रोच केले की हाव टू गो अबाउट दीस. सो तेन्ना आमी तेंकां हेल्प केले, गायड केले आनी हो पेटिशन आमी फायल केले. हायकोर्टान तेका डिस्पोज केला सांगून की that construction license was given illegally and that's why that construction license has to be revoked. So now officially Tamnar, that is the project proponents for the transmission line substation which was supposed to come in Sangod, does not have any legal permission from the panchayat and so they cannot do any work, they cannot proceed with any work in that substation line. The court also, our second prayer ahle pay titun ki should give us the Gram Sabha. जेन्ना ही रेजोल्यूशन घेता पंचायत तेणीन तो आमकां ग्राम सभा घेवनूच तो रेजोल्यूशन घेवपाक. पूण तितून कोर्टान आमकां कितें सांगलें की वी आर नॉट फोर्सिंग द पंचायत टू टेक ग्राम सभा और एनीथिंग, वी आर नॉट गिविंग एनी डायरेक्शन, बट द एप्लिकंट that is Tamnar has to give a fresh application in the panchayat and that has to be decided as per all legal norms of the law, that is as per Panchayat Raj Act. Only then the permission can be given. So आता हेजे फुडें कितें आसा की if Tamnar wants to continue with that project, they have to bring all their papers and that is a big problem because there is no conversion sanad, which is the main conversion documents required for that particular project, and this cannot be given because we have also given the forest department, we have also told the deputy town planner and the sarpanch and the entire panchayat knows that there is a Supreme Court order, and if they give this permission it will be in violation, in contempt of that Supreme Court order, and that is why the conversion sanad cannot be given.